Hey guys, okay, so it is Monday morning. I'm doing a 1 week hematology thingy-majig. I actually got my new scrubs with the logo key there. I waited like 4 weeks for the scrubs, but it was worth the wait. It's like very nice material, fits very nicely, looks good, logo looks good, I think. So yeah, new scrubs. It's a new week. It's a new 1 week elective. So hopefully it's a good one, but I'll take you guys along for the journey. Hi guys, so I'm back from day one of Haem. It was a very good day. I met up with the doctor. He took me through a lot of things. Like, he took me through the lab, how it works, when the parcel gets here, all the machines. It's a very high-tech lab. I don't expect it to be so like high-tech, and like if you are in that lab you feel as though you're on like a world-class setting. It's really impressive. And we went to cytokinetics. We also did we also grabbed coffee together and popcorn. It was very cool. Sorry for the noise. I'm actually hiding out now because it started hailing on my way back, so I'm hiding out. All the cars are coming in here because it's hailing and no one wants their cars to be damaged. So I just luckily I knew of this place and I just went in because I don't want my car to get like damaged with hail. It's massive hail, so I'm going to share it a bit later. But yeah, it was a good day. I also met up with the other doctor because the first doctor I met, he's writing exams in Jan, so he wants to study. And this other doctor, me and him vibed really well. We vibed extremely well. Like, we think very similarly, and like we think about things logically. And he asked me a lot of questions about DIC, TTP, approaches, if someone's bleeding, when it's systemic, when it's trauma related. Like, we talked about a lot of things, and he actually told me like his study technique is like just trying to take something that's very complicated and make it so that you can teach anyone about it. And I told him, yeah, that's actually a study method. You call it the Finkelstein's method. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and yeah, we vibed very well. Yo, that was some hectic weather. I'm glad I missed it. Just I got some footage of it, so I'll show you the weather as well. I probably have already showed you. But yeah, today was a good day. I clicked with the doctor very well. We spoke about a couple of cases and different management, and we talked about a lot of things, and actually helped a lot because it was work I did like a year and a half ago, and I actually could remember him work pretty well. And yeah, it was a very good day. Hopefully tomorrow we can continue with that and can actually do some cases on my own or something like that. That would be very nice. But I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, we have arrived for day 2 of hematology. Hopefully today will be a good day. I'll show you guys what I'm up to. Hey guys, so it is day 3, Wednesday, day 3 of hematology. I didn't speak a lot on camera yesterday, but yeah, yesterday wasn't a bad day. I was handed over to another doctor. Yeah, it wasn't bad. He showed me a couple of things. We talked about the coagulation cascade, and we talked about different types of hemoglobin and different types of like hemoglobinopathies, which is like your thalassemia traits and all those kinds of things. And also talked about sickle cell, and he talked a lot of things, and he showed me how the microscope works. And I actually do know how it works because I did study micro before, so I know how a microscope works, and he saw I knew. And let me look under the microscope to different things. We also had that double header microscope with like two things you can see through, and he showed me a couple of things, and I had to count cells. And after that we had like a mini tutorial in the lab. After that, my other doctor, she gave a tut about mostly about ITP and TTP and DIC and those kinds of things. How you treat it, how it's diagnosed, the epidemiology, risk factors, all those kinds of things. And after that, I was done. So it wasn't a bad day. It was okay. It was also a lot of sitting around, but it wasn't bad at all. So yeah, it's day 3 now. Hopefully today will be okay. I'm gonna sit in the library for a bit to work on some admin things, and then I will head down. But yeah, I'll take you guys along for the journey. Hey guys, so we have arrived for day 4. Not sure what's up with my voice, but yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Nothing really happened yesterday, but we'll see how today is. I'll take you guys along for the journey. Hey guys, we're back from day 4. Yeah, nothing really happened. I wish I could show you guys more things, and I wish I could do more things, but yeah, nothing happened. I went this morning. I had to come back quickly, and then I went again. Then I saw the doctor in the cafeteria, and we got some coffee and chatted, and then we went down. There was nothing for us to do there again. We're just sitting around, basically being in the way, and he's studying for his exams, so he's a bit stressed. And then we just sat and chilled and drank coffee, and then later in the day he sent me to the clinic to find Dr. Dave, which I met early in the week. And then I walked in the clinic and I searched for him. I couldn't find him, I couldn't find anyone. Shadow, and it was hundreds and hundreds of people and an end. So then I just called it a day, and yeah, we're back now. And that's about it. Tomorrow's my last day of the elective. Yeah, I'm excited for the holidays. But yeah, I wish more happened, but unfortunately nothing. Hey guys, so it is day 5 of hematology. It's the last day of a 1-month elective. After today I have almost a month of vacation time. So that's gonna be cool before we start next year. So yeah, let's see what happens today. I don't think anything massive is gonna happen, but I have to get some forms signed and but we'll see what happens. Maybe something cool happens, but I highly doubt it. But I'll take you guys along for the journey, I guess. Hey guys, so I'm done with my 4-week elective. I'm actually done with hematology for a couple of days now, so I'm on vacation, which is nice, but I'm actually busy with a lot of things behind the scenes, working on my YouTube channel and so stay tuned for that. But yeah, reflecting back on my 4 weeks elective, my 4th year wasn't bad. Could have been a lot better. I know 2 things. I don't want to do hematology and I don't want to do radiology. I know that those 2 is probably not for me at this stage. So that's a good thing. Internal medicine wasn't bad. Got to learn a couple of things like IV catheter, taking bloods, periodic tap. I saw lumbar puncture, saw arterial blood gas. Saw a lot of things, went on ward rounds, learned how to clerk a patient. Radiology, learned a bit how to do a CT scan. Hematology, looked under the microscope a couple of things, learned DIC, TTP, ITP, things like that. So all in all, wasn't bad. Elective could have been better, but that is life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Cheers.